Hey there, Kim Darney. I am a real estate broker here in California. I'm with my husband behind the camera, Chris Darney. Say hi,
Hi everybody.
Chris.
Hi, it's Chris.
We're super excited today. We are in Glendora, California, San Gabriel Valley, about 35 miles from Los Angeles. And if you're not familiar with Glendora, we'll tell you a little bit more about it. But first, let me introduce you to 1012 South Danahurst. We're located on a nice little cul-de-sac.
Very nice cul-de-sac.
Very nice cul-de-sac. And this is the home we're featuring today. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, little over 2,100 square feet. Got lots of nice amenities in there. New HVAC, and if you're outside today on this gorgeous, beautiful Saturday, you're going to appreciate going inside. Let me introduce you to a little bit of what's going on out here. It's all drought tolerant. The front and back and side yards are all drought tolerant.
That's super important here
Yes.
in sunny Southern California, where we are here currently in the middle of a drought.
Right. So, let's see. What are we going to say a little bit about Glendora as we go into the house? Here's a unique fact. If you aren't familiar with Glendora, a lot of people stay here. They get raised here, they buy houses, they sell houses, but they don't move out of Glendora. They typically buy, sometimes they downsize, or they move around, but I'd say the majority of the people, Chris actually grew up in Glendora here. So, you know, the same people, high school, grade school. This house has not been on the market for over 20 years. So while the sellers have been here, they've done a lot of great things. Like I said, new HVAC, got upgraded plumbing. Come on in and let's take a look.
Welcome to our open house. Look around, ask questions, fall in love, and make an offer.
All right. So we're going to
Pretty
open
door.
up.
Love the color of the door.
Isn't it great?
Love that.
We've got our things open all over the place today because we will be having an open house in a few minutes, but wanted to give you a quick sneak peek. When we walk in, it's a very open floor plan. We've got a I would use this space you could use it if you have a big family, you could do farm table, right? You could stay very contemporary this is still a big table, but versions-wise, I think we could pretty much do anything in here, right, Chris?
You could squeeze a big table in
A
here,
very
that's for
large
sure.
table. Then we're going to go on into the kitchen. This is absolutely beautiful. I don't know if you can see really good, but it's quartzsite.
Quartzsite.
Very nice.
It's beautiful. It's absolutely stunning quartzsite countertops.
It's really nice. You can pull any color with it. If you wanted white cabinets, gray cabinets, it's a great color. And we've got travertine on the floors. And I wanted to just
travertine on the backsplash too.
Right. I wanted to point out the sink. It's very cool. It's a very unique hammered copper, and it's hammered copper. And what makes it really cool is it's also a farm sink, apron front. So, and if you like grapes, and
if you like
grapes
wine,
make wine, right?
Very
nice.
What do grapes make?
Wine.
Grapes make wine.
Wine.
And we also have a Bosch countertop gas stove as well, and I should say range.
Right.
And beautiful, more grapes to carry through.
Very nice. We've got some good lighting here. Chris, I wanted to point out the entire house, ceilings and walls have
Beautiful.
they've all been done by hand. And I think and when you're standing in here, you can see it. I mean, it's just absolutely gorgeous. Maybe we can walk over here, Chris?
Absolutely.
Go into the family room. And if you just take a look, it's just gorgeous. So this house, again, was built in 1962, very mid-century. Check out the...
Actually, I would call it a mid-century ranch.
Oh, yes, sprawling ranch.
Sprawling ranch.
Because it is single story, which is a total bonus for a lot of people. And as you're going to see, this house could really be used for multi-generational. Just school districts are great in Glendora for raising families. When we get back to where the bedrooms are, you're going to see that we kind of have 2 master bedrooms.
This house reminds me of the house I grew up in.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's right. I didn't get to go in that house, but
we squeezed 5 kids in that house, and
wow. And it was right over here, wasn't it?
Yeah, and I don't think it was as big as this house, but what a beautiful home. Love Glendora.
Glendora is great, and we're going to be taking you through Glendora over these next few days and showing you some of the super cool things, especially in the village. Glendora is known for the gumdrop trees. They do really wonderful events. Oh, Christmas is amazing. So we're now entering the, what do we call this? You called it the west wing. I'm not sure what you...
This is the south wing.
South wing.
Of the
Don't,
house.
I never ask me for directions. Don't do it. So bedroom number 1.
Go ahead.
Go ahead.
Okay. Sweet. Bedroom number 1. Nice, big size bedroom. This is
It
actually, I think we had 3 kids when I was growing up in a room this size.
Rack 'em and stack 'em. Things have changed.
Rack 'em and stack 'em.
Things have
That was
changed.
it.
We've got some really great built-ins here. One of the
Right.
nice amenities of the older homes.
Right?
Lots of storage. And then I can't squeeze in here with you, but we were talking about
Nice
upgrades.
full-size
We
bath.
have
Bath
been
and
fully
shower.
upgraded.
Very
We've
nice
got new
floor.
copper in the house.
Excellent.
Again, if you're in here, you'd feel it, but the HVAC is running nice and cool right now.
The HVAC is kicking, and it feels good.
This is currently being used by the owners as the master, and you can see it's a very large master, bigger
This-
than most.
Now, when I was a kid, this would be
Master
considered
bedrooms.
half of our house.
Right.
This place is huge.
Yeah. And again,
I
you know
love
what,
this
Chris?
bedroom.
This
It's
catches
massive.
really pretty light. I mean, the detail is amazing here. Again, it's been a labor of love for over 20 years, and they've just worked on it and fixed it up. So we're going to walk over and check out the master bedroom that is being used for a recreation entertainment area. So let's come over.
This is so fun.
Oh, now would be a good time for me to tell you that we've done some virtual staging. So you can see what this room and the other front room would look like, made a little differently. So let me tell you how to do that. You can go to several places. One of them is 1012danahurst.com. That's DANEHURST.com. You're going to find a 3D tour there. You're going to find the, what's it called, the floor plan, Chris? It
Right.
gives all the dimensions of all the
Floor
rooms.
plan.
Right. And then you can also take a look on, Chris, this is where I always confuse our
That's
YouTube
right.
and
Yeah,
Facebook.
you can go to our FaceTube.
See?
Go to our Facebook, which is Darney Realty on Facebook. You can also go to Instagram, Darney Realty on Instagram.
Great.
And then our YouTube site, which is Chris and Kim Darney on YouTube.
Right. So there you will be able to find the virtual photos. Right now, Chris, how big is this room? He's standing in the closet right
I'm
now.
actually standing in what they used as their wine cellar here in this recreation room. But this room is
large.
18 by 33. It is enormous.
So earlier I talked about multi-generational.
I mean, you could have so much fun in this room.
Well, and again, there's many uses.
Uh-huh.
Could be the master bedroom with an ensuite. You could keep it as an entertainment center. I think that it was used as a theater room at one time. But again, multi-generational, because in this area, we'll go into the bathroom in a minute.
Okay.
But in this area, it's already been piped, so you could put a kitchenette in here. So
on that wall, right behind Kim, there is piping for water.
you could do
And-
dressing or
And then
little
drop a line
kitchenette.
down for gas. You could put, as Kim said, a wet sink, and then you could also put even a stove,
Right.
oven
So
range type thing.
extended family, you know,
Yeah.
I mean, our things have changed so much in our world.
But you know
sometimes
what?
our kids move back in with us. This would be a great room for.
What are those kids called? Boomerang kids, where you throw them out in the
We've
world
had a couple of those.
and they come back. It's amazing. You'd think we were in Australia or something.
Right. Well, we like them to come back, but then we need them to move on too sometimes.
So you have
So-
a baby grand piano behind you. Now, how many people have baby grand pianos that can fit into their bedroom?
Yes, exactly.
This is
let me
amazing.
point something out, Chris.
Yes.
Behind this bar is a big window. And when you go and you look on the virtual tour that you're going to
Virtual
go,
staging.
virtual staging,
Yeah.
there you'll see the window and it's full. It's a nice big window. So let's go
I'm gonna
outside
show-
for a minute.
No. I'm
No?
going to show them the sassy painting over here.
We're going to get kicked off of
Little pin-up.
YouTube or
Little pin-up.
something.
That's really a cute picture.
Isn't that super cool?
Oh, what about
Let's
this
go to the bathroom.
stunning?
Let's go
Okay,
in here.
there we go.
Yes.
I can dig it.
We have, again, this has been completely redone. We've got dual shower heads. very spa-like. Let me move out, Chris, and you can
stay
take
in there.
a
Show
look.
me how. Just
And you
show
want
us
to
how
see how
big
big
it is.
Right. I thought you were
Okay,
going to throw
now
me in the shower
this
and
is-
try to turn the water
I
on like you
wouldn't
did
do
last
it.
time.
I wouldn't do it.
Yes,
I
you
promise.
would.
So
Yes, you
is
would.
that brass hardware?
It's very nice.
It's gorgeous.
I don't know if it's brass or nickel. It's just beautiful.
That's brass. That's gorgeous.
But
It
you can
just
see how large it
matches.
is as a full-size armoire.
Full-size armoire inside here, along with I think three shower heads. 3 shower heads.
Yeah, it's really nice.
I need this at home.
It's very nice.
I would never get out of it though.
Yeah, I know. It's
You know,
nice.
it is what it is.
All right, so, and again, this would be your closet. Put the closet doors back on and you can,
Again, on our
Make a
virtual
bedroom.
staging that we did, the virtual staging photos that we did on the website, you can take a look at it and you can kind of get an idea of how that would work.
you want to go take a quick peek outside?
Yeah, let's take a quick peek outside. Let me do a double check, make sure we don't have any people coming in.
Okay.
Okay, we're good.
Great. All right.
Let's go out this way.
All righty.
Let's go out.
Oh, let me point out the 2 French doors.
Oh,
Two
yeah,
sides of
2
French doors. Makes it
Two French
so
doors.
nice.
Two French
Not
doors.
sliders,
Two
French
French doors. Fun. Now, this is kind of an outdoor eating area. Very, very cute. And plus, look at the garden. The
Isn't it
garden
nice?
is
Again,
so
we're drought
cute,
tolerant.
so pretty.
Not using much water here.
On drip on everything. He's got these beautiful
We have some storage units or storage
Japanese
sheds
maples.
that will go.
Storage sheds that are
with.
coming with the property.
And Chris,
Really
the
nice.
garage is 2-car?
Garage is a
It's an
two-car attached garage. This is one exit to the backyard, and then there's also an entrance to the inside of the house.
Right in the kitchen. It's right
Yes.
right off the kitchen.
Out here, a
Let's
little
walk
outdoor
around to
dining.
the other side real quick.
Ooh, they have grapes. Ooh,
Oh,
love
nice.
grapes. How beautiful. And they're starting to come in. They're starting to bloom. I see them.
Nice and quiet. Really nice and quiet. Glendora is, it's, you know, I've heard just the other night, we were all talking with a group of Glendorans, and they were saying it's like Mayberry, right? I mean, it's just such a nice little town. But it's
Uh-oh, our
not really
fountain
that
turned
little,
off.
is it? Uh-oh.
Check this out, guys. Okay, so at afternoon, sure. I mean, evening, why not, huh? Why not? I
say
could see my
wine?
son.
No, I was kidding.
Yeah, wine.
I thought you said
Why
wine. No.
not?
Wine and spa.
And look, I've got a fountain there. Oh, and that's so cool. I love this.
Yeah, it's very nice.
I could do this.
And I believe this one is Sundance.
Is this
It's a very
Sundance
nice.
Spa?
It'll go with the home. It's a very
Sundance
nice
Spa, beautiful Sundance Spa, and beautiful wife. All right,
All right.
well, let's
So
go back in.
thank you
and
for joining us. Let's just say goodbye now.
Okay.
And then we
just
have
jump in?
people. We have people arriving now. We got to do an
Okay.
open house.
All right.
But we will be doing a Facebook Live open house sometime in the next maybe in the next 45 minutes. So hopefully you'll join us.
All right.
See you later. Kim
Bye, guys.
Darney, Chris Darney. Again, you can reach us at 909-323-0059. Text us, email us. We'd like to talk to you.
Yeah, or go to our website, darneyrealty.com. darneyrealty.com. Facebook, Darney Realty. Instagram, Darney Realty. YouTube, Chris and Kim Darney
Made
on
it easy,
YouTube.
huh?
Yes.
Bye-bye, everybody.
Bye.